everyone, welcome back to the weekly Intivix Office 365 tips and tricks. My name is Brandy, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Excel survey. An Excel survey is a web form that you design to collect and store structured data into an Excel spreadsheet. If you need more robust features, alternatives such as SurveyMonkey may be the best way for you to go. But when you have a need for collecting simple data sets from several people, this tool will do the job seamlessly in the Microsoft ecosystem every time. First, we're going to create a survey from our OneDrive. So make sure that you're in your OneDrive, and from the top of the menu, select New. Now this may either say Excel Survey or Forms for Excel. So click on one of those. And now let's enter the title for our survey. Once you have your title entered, click Create. So now we have the beginning of our survey, and we can explore our options. If you click on Add Question, you will see you have many options here. You have choices, you have text, rating, date, and you also have ranking. So let's start off fairly simple. I'm going to ask for a rating first. First things first, we need to ask our question. So once you have your question entered, you have two different options here in the ratings. We can either change the level from a 5 to a 10, or we can change it from a star system to a numbering system. If you want to make sure that all your questions are answered, make sure you click that it's required. And now we can move on to our next question. This time I'm going to give them the option to type something back. So I have asked my question, and I have a couple of options here as well. I can either allow a short answer or a long answer. Many of you may not require this, but if you're working in a company, anything like mine, where people are fairly busy, if it's not required, chances are they might just bypass it. So I'm going to make this required. I'm going to add another question, and this time I'm going to give them a multiple choice. As you can see, this isn't so much a question as just a statement, but now I have options I need to provide them with. I want 3 options, so as you see down here, I can add as many options as I would like. Once my options are entered, I want to tell the survey whether or not these should be multiple choice answers, meaning they're allowed to pick on multiple answers. This means they can pick more than one. I want them to only choose one option, so I'm going to make sure that they don't have the ability, but I also want to make this required. Rather than asking them to choose just one, I also have a ranking option I can choose. So I'm going to add a question, and we're going to add a ranking. I feel my 4 questions are pretty sufficient for the responses that I need to move forward. Now I can preview and make sure that there's no edits. And as you can see between questions 3 and 4, here they get to pick one, whereas here they can move the rankings. If I'm satisfied with the way this looks, I can submit it. I also have the option to change the theme. So I think I'm going to stick with the basics. Now I want to share my survey. We have different options. We can either copy the link or provide the link, but I think I'm going to send an email, because this way I can either include everybody in my organization, or I can type individually their emails as to whom I need this to go to. And there you have it. You have a tool to help you successfully complete surveys within Excel. Thank you for your time today. I look forward to speaking with you again next week.